Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I am going to show you how to create custom profiles for your weldments. So keep watching this video till end. Before going further, let me introduce you to my YouTube channel SolidWorks Tutorials and Engineering News, where you will find a huge quantity of videos regarding SolidWorks and engineering. So please don't forget to press subscribe button and this bell icon for all upcoming video notification. The easiest way to create custom profiles for your weldments: go to the folder where you had installed SolidWorks in your computer, then go to SolidWorks again, scroll down and double click on language or lang, again go to English, then weldment profiles, ANSI Eng or ISO as per your desired input system. So for this time I'm going to ANSI Eng. Now the question is for which section you want to create a custom profile. Let's suppose I'm going to create a custom profile for rectangular tube. So double click on this folder rectangular tube. Now copy one of the file from here, right click and then copy, go back and paste it here. Now rename it, add your own dimension size. Let's suppose I'm going to create 10 inch by 5 inch by 0.25. So right click again, then cut it, go to rectangular tube and paste it here. Now what you need to do is to drag this new file to SolidWorks and drop it here. Click on sketch button here and edit it. Now you can add the dimensions as per your design: 5 inch by 10 inch, then save and exit from sketch. Now close this window and then select save all. Now create some part with recently added a new profile to verify it. So for that click on front plane and sketch something. Now add dimension, let's suppose 5 foot, save and exit from sketch. Now go to weldments tab and select structural member. Standard is ANSI Eng and type rectangular tube. Size, drop down this option and then here you can see 10 inch by 5 inch by 0.25, our new profile. Click on this line. Yes, we had successfully created this new profile. So press OK button. Similarly, by using same process you can also edit these profiles also. So let's create one more profile with angle iron. So copy it, go back and paste it here. Now rename it according to your own design. Instead of 3 inch type here 10 inch multiplied by 8 inch and multiplied by 0.25. Cut it and go to angle iron, then paste it here. Now drag this file into SolidWorks. Edit the sketch. (10 inch by 8 inch then save and exit from Sketch. Close this window. Now let's create some part by using this profile. So for that, sketch on front plane and sketch something. Edit it. $50. Save and exit from Sketch, and then go to Weldments tab, select structural member, standard NC inch, and angle iron is the type, and size here 10 inch by 8 inch by 0.25. Now select group. Here you can see it is working now. Press OK button. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Thanks for watching and sparing time.